Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find General Management. Now let's tap on a language at the top, and right here we've got kind of a shortcut, or a shortcut of the whole list of available languages. So here we've got those which are most frequently used. So let's tap on Add a Language to enter the full list, and as you can see right here we've got some languages. If you cannot find yours here, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages, because those previous ones were only suggested by Samsung. So this is how to search for more languages and basically find your language and tap on it. So let me choose maybe which one, maybe Greek. Let's simply tap on it. Choose the region. And now your device will ask you if you want to keep current language or set new as a default. So let's simply tap on Set as Default, and as you can see in my case Greek language will appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added to this list, you will be able to easily switch between them simply by tapping on particular one. So let me choose English and simply tap on Probably Apply. And as you can see, the English will immediately appear at the top. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the languages, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.